I cannot activate the data analysis in the new subscription version of Excel. It used to work like this. So what you're going to do is make sure you have the add-in toolkit. Do that. You're going to go to File, Options, Add-ins, and you want one of the analysis tool packs. I'm going to try this one, Analysis Toolpack VBA. Do not click OK. It won't do nothing. Click Go. Okay. So you got to tell the computer which ones you want. I'm going to go ahead and get both of them. Click OK. And data analysis would show up right there in the upper right-hand corner. So again, this is a subscription Excel. Let me pull up the picture of what I got here for you. This is what I'm using here, right? This is all new. I don't know what the heck is going on, but this is what I cannot do. When I go to File, I go to Options down here on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that or not. Options. The add-in box does come up. We just click add-ins. Give it a minute. And the analysis tool pack is already pre-aligned. We click Go. And everything works fine up to this point. So it's got the two that I want. I click OK. But you know what? It doesn't show up. It will not show up anywhere. When I go to Data, it still does not show up. It's supposed to be right here in this corner. And I cannot get it to go. So the second thing I tried was this. I went to Insert, Get Add-ins, and it's locking me out. So, oh my goodness gracious. So since I have about 150 to 200 videos on how to use Excel add-ins to solve stats problem, I'm seriously hoping that somebody on your end can show me how to reinstall the data analysis tab on this latest version of Excel that we're using. And thank you. MGZ out.